Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off silent mode on any Vivo phone. Now, the first method to turn off silent mode is to turn off silent mode from your control center. Just swipe down from the top of your smartphone to open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the silent mode to change it to ring mode. Now, if you cannot find this option in your control center, just tap on the edit button at the top right of your control center. Now, just drag the ring option to the control center, just like that. Now, once you add the ring option to the control center, just go back and tap on the silent option and change it to ring mode or to vibrate mode. Now, the second method to turn off silent mode is to turn it off from the volume buttons. Just tap on the volume up or low button one time and tap on the silent mode. Now from here, just tap on the silent mode option to change it to ring mode. Now the third method to turn off silent mode is to change it from the settings app. Just open the settings app on your smartphone and scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, you can turn off silent mode by selecting ring mode or vibration mode, just like that. And this is how you can turn off silent mode on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.